Hey everyone, it's time for a crucial update on a deeply troubling situation unfolding in Gaza. Over the past several days, Israeli airstrikes have intensified, with devastating consequences for the densely populated region. Earlier today, a drone strike hit Gaza City, resulting in 7 reported fatalities. This attack has forced a desperate evacuation of Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital, adding another layer to the already dire humanitarian crisis. The Israeli military asserts that these airstrikes are in response to ongoing threats from Hamas. However, the indiscriminate nature of the bombings has drawn widespread condemnation. Civilians are bearing the brunt of this conflict, and the healthcare system in Gaza is overwhelmed, struggling to cope with the influx of casualties. International calls for a ceasefire are growing louder, with many urging both sides to prioritize the safety and well-being of civilians. The United Nations has expressed deep concern over the situation, highlighting the urgent need for aid and medical supplies. For the ordinary Palestinians living in Gaza, the impact of this conflict is devastating. Fear of airstrikes has forced many to seek refuge in shelters, disrupting their daily lives and creating a climate of constant fear and uncertainty. The evacuation of hospitals only heightens this anxiety, especially for those in urgent need of medical attention. Targeting civilian infrastructure, including hospitals and residential areas, raises serious concerns about potential war crimes. Human rights organizations are calling for independent investigations into the conduct of both sides, emphasizing the need for accountability for any violations of international law. The long-term consequences on the mental and emotional well-being of Gaza's residents are immeasurable. The international community faces a moral imperative to act decisively to end the violence and alleviate the suffering of civilians caught in the crossfire. While humanitarian aid is crucial, it cannot address the root causes of this conflict. A lasting solution requires a commitment to dialogue, diplomacy, and a just resolution that addresses the underlying political and security concerns of all parties involved. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay compassionate, and let's hope for peace. End